Good day! This is the video presentation of Group 4.
It indicates about the PC disassembly and assembly. We will also be talking about the importance of occupational safety and health or OSH. Furthermore, we will also be showing the tools needed during the procedure
and also how you would properly utilize it,
as well as the cautions,
including some guidelines before or during the procedure.
Hi! Before we proceed to PC disassembly and assembly, let us first talk about OSH, or Occupational Safety and Health. So what is Occupational Safety and Health, or OSH?
It is a planned system of working to prevent illness and injury where you work by recognizing and identifying hazards and risks. Therefore, when we say hazard, it is something that could potentially cause harm, and risk when the degree of likelihood that harm will be caused.
Health and safety procedure is a responsibility of all persons in the computer and technology industries. You must identify the hazard where you are working and decide how dangerous they are, eliminate the hazard or modify the risk that it presents,
and so on. The most important aspect of a good occupational health and safety policy is identifying these hazards and ensuring that employees have the training, safety equipment, and other resources needed to work safely. There are 3 steps used to manage health and safety at work. Fundamentally, spot the hazard during work experience. You must remain alert to anything that may be dangerous. If you see, hear, or smell anything odd, take note. If you think it could be a hazard, tell someone.
Secondarily, assess the risk. Basically, assessing the risk means working out how likely it is that a hazard will harm someone and how serious the harm could be. Always tell someone, whether your employer, your supervisor, or your health and safety representative, about hazards you can fix yourself, especially if the hazard could cause serious harm to anyone.
Finally, make the changes. It is your employer's responsibility to fix hazards. Sometimes you may be able to fix simple hazards yourself, as long as you don't put yourself or others at risk. For example, you can pick up things from the floor and put them away to eliminate a trip hazard.
Sometimes it will require more than one of the risk control measures above to effectively reduce exposure to hazards. So going back to the main topic, PC disassembly and assembly.
For the time being, we will perform the PC disassembly procedure.
Step 1. Unplug all the cables and wires.
Step 2. Open the outer shell or case.
Step 3. Remove the system fan.
Step 4. Remove the CPU fan.
Step 5. Detach the power supply. Step 6. Remove the CD and/or DVD drives. Step 7. Detach the hard drive.
Step 8. Pull out the motherboard.
Now, we will perform the PC assembly procedure.
Step 1. Prepare your workplace. Step 2. Prepare the motherboard.
Step 3. Install the CPU. Step 4. Install the CPU heatsink.
Step 5. Install memory or RAM modules.
Step 6. Place the motherboard into the case.
Step 7. Connect the power supply.
Step 8. Install graphics or video cards.
Step 9. Install internal drives.
And step 10. Install the add-in cards.
Performing PC or personal computer disassemble and assemble helped us in many ways.
A new skill has been developed to us and new knowledges has been gained.
Exploring different components and parts of a computer and unplugging, opening, removing, placing, installing, and connecting, those was a fun and memorable experience for us. But at the same time, it gave us knowledges about how this works and how this operates a computer.
We cannot know or predict when our computer will take damage or stop working, so learning this to help us to be prepared and ready in the future. Most students like us use computer for educational purposes like communications, research, and others. And this also became a big part to us because it can make our work faster and easier. And computer technicians cannot reach or be available at us all the time. We can also help others who might experience or face situations like this.
Again, this is the Group 4 presentation of PC Disassembly and Assembly. Shalom!